At Combilift, we manufacture innovative products designed to increase storage, enhance safety, and improve overall efficiencies. This unit is a 4-directional pedestrian walkie reach, which allows you to handle all product types from pallets to long loads. This can be achieved with our unique design and patented tiller arm, allowing the operator to remove themselves from the rear of the machine while in confined areas. It also offers fantastic visibility of the forks and the load due to the position of the operator, which in turn reduces the chances of product damage and operator injury. It has been designed with 4 main criteria: safety, visibility, idle performance, and maneuverability. Visit Combilift.com and see how we can help you.